The Don Bosco College of Engineering and Technology. We have come from the side of Air Force. There is a vehicle, IPEV, Induction Publicity Exhibition Vehicle, that we are bringing along with us. It's a vehicle which consists of flight simulator, VR sets, a G-suit, a display of the flying overalls, various replicas of the aircrafts we have. The main motive of our drive is to motivate the young generation to join the forces. Like, we conduct a lecture during this. In the lecture we cover how you can join the forces, in what age you can join, what qualification is required. Then we started this drive in the month of January, like first week of January. From that, we started it from Delhi. We came to Gujarat, we covered Gujarat region, then we came to Maharashtra. We will be returning back to Delhi in the second week, end of April. So we are continuously going to colleges and schools especially to cover how you can join us. And this bus, this IPEV, plays a very important role in the motivation for the students.